You need the car next to it, brother.
Huh?
The car next to it is a little more comfortable.
Oh yeah. I drive that one all the time.
That one is a little more comfortable.
Yeah, I drive that one all the time.
No, there's no way you're getting in this one, are you?
I get in that one.
You see what I mean? Bro, you're too big, man. You're too big. Jesus. You're in?
I'm in, man.
Comfortably?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I can get out. I had to get Mars out today though. You saw Mars? No, I can get out.
You sure?
I ain't fat like Mars. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Don't.
No, wait. Imagine there's a party after 10 and you're wearing a tuxedo, bro. Imagine and the girl next to you has to come out. Imagine you came to somebody's wedding, valet parking, bro. Oh, this is too good.
No, I ain't getting in there.
That was a classic.